My dear viewers, how to convert benzoic acid to benzyl chloride. Okay, at first benzoic acid react with lithium aluminum hydride at presence of ether, that is the one type of reduction reaction. Okay, product from benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride react with thionyl chloride, product from benzyl chloride, that is C6H5CH2Cl. Next conversion, how to convert benzaldehyde to cinnamic acid. Benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride and sodium acetate at the presence of heat, that is the name reaction Parking reaction. Product from C6H5CH double bond CH C double O CH3. This product react with water from cinnamic acid, that is C6H5CH double bond CH C double OH. Okay, okay, my dear viewers, thank you.